Now we will discuss about atrial flutter. ECG criteria of atrial flutter is P is sawtooth appearance. Normal P is replaced by flutter or F wave. Better seen in lead 2, 3, ABF and V1. RR is regular, may be irregular when there is variable block. Atrial rate is 250 to 350 beats per minute. Ventricular rate variable, maybe 2:1, 3:1, 4:1. It is then called flutter with variable block. Occasionally, atrial fibrillation and flutter may be present together. It is called flutter fibrillation. This is an ECG where P is sawtooth and there is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is to 1. 5 is to 1 atrial flutter block. 5 is to 1. The second ECG shows 5 is to 1, 3 is to 1, 2 is to 1 block. Now, what are the causes of atrial flutter? Same as atrial fibrillation. What is the treatment of atrial flutter? As follows: to control heart rate, we will give digoxin, beta blocker or verapamil may be used. Amiodarone, propafenone or flecainide may be used, and this can be used to prevent recurrence. If no response and patient has troublesome symptoms, DC cardioversion or atrial overdrive pacing may be done. Atrial overdrive pacing may be done. In persistent or recurrent atrial flutter, radiofrequency catheter ablation is the treatment of choice. Digoxin sometimes converts flutter to atrial fibrillation due to shortening of the atrial refractory period. This may be followed by conversion to normal rhythm when the digoxin is stopped. What is the differential diagnosis of atrial flutter? When atrial flutter is associated with regular 2:1 AB block, it is difficult to differentiate from supraventricular or sinus tachycardia because flutter waves are buried in QRS complex. In such case, diagnosis can be done by carotid sinus massage or intravenous adenosine, which temporarily increases the degree of AB block and reveals the flutter waves, F waves. Now we should remember the following points. Atrial flutter is always associated with organic heart disease. So atrial flutter is always associated with organic heart disease. Drugs which can restore and maintain sinus rhythm are sotalol, flecainide, disopyramide, propafenone. DC cardioversion is the easiest way to convert sinus rhythm.